Hi everyone, I'm at Shangri-La where we're about to celebrate a special occasion, the 10th anniversary of Rich Packing.
Being able to stay deeply focused for 10 years in one field is truly remarkable, and Rich Packing has done it. From a company of 3 persons to a big family of 78 persons. From a single tablet press in the beginning to a various kind like blister packing machines and gummy counting lines. With over 10 years of experience in pharmaceutical packaging, today we have the industry-leading capability to provide comprehensive solutions for our customers.
And we'll never forget is our clients, our team, our friends from all over the world who made this happen.
Tonight is about celebrating, saying thank you, and looking forward to the next chapter.
Cheers to the 10 years of growth. Cheers to the bright future. Cheers!
Cheers!